Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing an amazing, simple and effective banana face mask recipe to get instant glowing skin. Perfect for that radiant, refreshed look without needing any harsh products. For this mask, you'll only need a few ingredients, which are 1 ripe banana, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Optional, but it adds a great boost of hydration. Let's quickly go over the benefits. Bananas are packed with vitamins like A and C, which help to brighten and rejuvenate your skin. Honey is a natural moisturizer that locks in hydration. And yogurt adds an extra soothing and brightening effect while gently exfoliating dead skin cells. These ingredients together create the perfect combination for glowing skin. Let's get started on making this mask. Mash the banana. Take a ripe banana, mash it in a bowl until it's nice and smooth without any lumps. Bananas are great for hydration and give your skin a natural glow. Add honey and yogurt. Now add 1 tablespoon of honey to the banana. If your skin needs extra hydration, add a tablespoon of yogurt too. Mix everything until you get a smooth paste. Apply the mask. Now, apply this mask evenly to your face and neck. Make sure to avoid the eye area. It feels cool and soothing as it works to give your skin a nice fresh glow. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes. During this time, let your skin absorb all the nutrients from the mask. Rinse off. After 15 to 20 minutes, rinse your face with lukewarm water and gently pat it dry. Your skin will feel soft, hydrated, and have a natural glow. For best results, use this mask once a week. It's gentle yet effective, so it's perfect for regular use. If you enjoyed this quick beauty tip, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends who'd love glowing skin too. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video with more natural beauty tips. Stay glowing and take care.